Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting immediate proof. List 10 tasks you enjoyed and performed well right now. Once done, reach out to 3 people and request 2 specific strengths each. Concrete examples beat vague praise. While you record this feedback, track how long tasks take and how energized you feel after each for 1 week. This gives you measurable signals instead of guesses, and it creates a reality check that you can analyze quickly and repeatedly. Once you have evidence, group items into 3 recurring skill themes and label them clearly. Then design 1 small, feasible test for each theme that you can complete in 2 to 4 hours. Treat them as experiments, not commitments. Execute each test, collect direct feedback, and score results for skill, enjoyment, and external reaction. Make sure to compare outcomes side by side. This reveals which theme consistently produces strong results and real satisfaction, rather than a single lucky win. Choose the one strength that scored best across performance, enjoyment, and feedback, then commit to a 30 to 90-day practice plan with measurable goals and weekly milestones. You should schedule deliberate practice, seek targeted feedback, and build small wins into a habit. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by changing one variable at a time, task type, time of day, or feedback source, and rerun a short experiment. This iterative approach ensures you refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.